Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility. Check iPad OS and your watch model so you know whether the official app is supported. Once done, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID across devices. This saves pairing headaches. Next, install any necessary companion apps or approved workarounds on the iPad. These provide the interface the watch app needs. As you perform each check, keep Bluetooth on and stay near your iPhone so the devices can exchange pairing and account data seamlessly. Now you'll pair and configure. Open the Watch Companion or Workaround app on the iPad and follow on-screen prompts. Simultaneously, use the iPhone's Watch app to share settings or export a pairing token if the iPad build requires it. This transfers key profiles and health data. Make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff are enabled so the devices maintain continuity. Once the iPad requests confirmation, accept on your watch and iPhone. This step completes the secure handshake and syncs notifications and apps. Finish by verifying that notifications, app icons, and health data synced correctly. Open a few watch apps to confirm functionality. If something isn't visible, restart the iPad and watch first. Often a simple reboot resolves unresolved services. If restarting doesn't help, make sure both devices are on the same network and try resetting the watch's network settings before repairing. One key troubleshooting tip: unpairing and repairing from the iPhone clears most pairing conflicts, so use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.